Hey guys, I'm excited because I just realized I've never done an anniversary. I've celebrated His Garden Naturals, right, in other ways, just like the genesis of it and what we do, but I've never had like an official anniversary. So I decided to have some kind of online social media party celebration thing soon because this will make 15 years. Now, really, we go back 20 years if you want to include the mobile salon services that I provide. I started that in the early 2000s, probably like 2000. You know what? Before, what am I talking about? In the 90s, because my daughter was a baby, first of all, when I was working in a salon, but then eventually, probably, I would say maybe 2000, I would say 1999 to 2000 is when I decided to go mobile. That made a difference because I was like, okay, I done went through a whole separation and divorce, going back to school, from getting my GED to master's degrees, a couple of those. And I've come through some trials and tribulations and decided I can't give up on my dream, even though there may be periods where I know I have slowed down, right? Because I'm going back to school and then I became a divorced mom. And so I had to reprioritize things in my life, especially when I was going to school, then working part-time. And then now I have degrees in the mental health profession. So then I worked, that became my full-time. His Garden Naturals didn't take a backseat. It's just something I did on the side, whether it was providing salon services in the salon and mobile. And I started the product line in 2010. And so I'm really just going to probably start back from 2010 and give a celebration, but I'll talk about what I just said, right? But I'm excited about it. So that's going to be a little later on this week or maybe this weekend. But I just thought about, I want to do a secret sale. I want to do a secret sale for those of you who are part of the His Garden Naturals tribe. So if you got this email, you're part of the His Garden Naturals tribe. Whether you signed up when I was doing a pop-up shop or you came across His Garden Naturals on social media, or you are a customer or was a customer and you signed up that way, or you are one of my clients, my hair clients, and you signed up that way or asked to be put on the list. However, you are a supporter of His Garden Naturals, and to show our appreciation, I want to do a secret sale, which means there may be some giveaways. There will be some major discounts. There will be some bundle packages, all for you who are in the email list. And the public will not have access to it because it's a secret sale. I'm going to do some other specialties on social media and different platforms, right? And on our website, hisgardennaturals.com. And when I do some pop-up shops. But for you, you're going to get something special, secret sale. Okay, so be on the lookout on the 16th, which is right, it just turned July 16th because it is almost 12:20 a.m. The time has gone by so fast. Be on the lookout for an email in the morning. How about that? Or tomorrow early sometime in the day. I'm not sure exactly what time, but tomorrow or later on today, basically. Look out for an email. It's going to be between 24 to 48 hour secret sale. You are going to have a code that only you can use and be able to partake of the secret sale. So I'm excited about that. I just wanted to come and show you, and I want to talk about it in this video. I didn't just want to send an email. I want to create a video. Okay, because I just appreciate all of you. We appreciate all of you. And wow, you've been rocking with us. Even if you just signed up, you're rocking with us. And we're excited about that. So thank you so much. We love you. We love you. We love you. It's nothing like, wow, just being proud of having a women-owned business, Black-owned business, small business. Some people say, don't say small, but small is not bad. We're a small-owned business. We're not major. We don't have franchises all over. It's okay. I'm just happy that I had a passion and a dream and a vision, and I stepped out and I did it. And I showed up. And because I showed up, my daughter can show up and help me out, and other people when we are, putting out major or larger orders, a team of people in the community that say, you know what, Cheryl, we're going to come help you. We'll come help you. Just call us. We on standby. If you need us to come and help you package up and mail and ship off, that's what it's all about. So that's why I say tribe. You guys help us by being part of this tribe. You get to know about a lot of firsts, events, new products that come out, all those things. And then a lot of times I'll ask you questions about what you think about this. Can we have your reviews? Because you help us grow. You help us enhance and get better. You help us solve more problems. I get emails from people or DMs as well, and telephone calls and text messages about, hey, do you make this? Or just like recently, we just increased our hemp CBD. We had 500 milligrams and 1,000 milligram of hemp CBD because we have people who deal with pain in their joints and in their muscles and in their nerves. And they said that they do feel a difference by using our salve. However, they wanted to know if I sold like 2,000 or 3,000 milligrams. Well, now we have the 2,000 milligrams hemp CBD salve. So it's just more. Not that you're going to feel some major difference and be like on fire or anything, but it is more intense. So it's going to do more, right? So we're excited about that. And as you can see, for those of you who've been looking at the website and just really looking at your emails, we have expanded to a wellness. So now we're really a beauty and wellness company. And that's what I want. It's like a beauty supply, but not with all of the things, just the things we feel are, because we don't want to be too much, right? We want to focus on specific issues, conditions, and a lot of it comes from you guys. Again, if you mention something, if it's in alignment with what we're doing, absolutely. It was a no-brainer to increase to a 2,000 milligrams. So we still have the 1,000 milligram hemp CBD salves, but now we have the 2,000. So I'm cutting out the 500. And I'm still going to have the hemp CBD massage cream. So that's the 500 milligram. And then the salves, and it be coming out with something brand new. I don't know if I even put it in the last email. If not, it's probably going to be in this one or another one. It's going to be a different salve to relieve pain as well, with some secret ingredients for now. And then after a while, you will know it all. But anyway, I just wanted to share this with you guys. Be on the lookout. Thanks again. We love you. We love you. We love you. And follow us on all social media platforms. You know, we're on YouTube, Instagram, Fanbase. Fanbase is Black owned. Get on Fanbase. It's Isaac Hayes' son who started Fanbase. I think it's Isaac Hayes III, something like that. That's Black owned. Get on that app. It's awesome. It's growing. And you have opportunities right now to become a partner and to, I think, buy a share or stock in that company. So he wants everybody to win. And so get on Fanbase. We're on TikTok, Pinterest, Facebook. Did I say everything? I think that's about it. Twitter, but I don't really use Twitter much anymore. Now called X, I think. Something like that. Anyway, okay, I gotta go. Love you so much. Bye-bye.